What are some of the things a homeowner can check before dispatching you out to their home?
So one of the most easy and quick things to check is a switch on the side of the furnace. Kids love to play with switches. They'll turn the switch off and not think anything of it. If that's off, nothing will work. Next would be check your filter. If you haven't changed your filter in a while, chances are it needs to be changed. A lot of customers do not change filters often enough. Another thing is your thermostat. Make sure your thermostat is set properly. A lot of people just take for granted that the thermostat is set right. Check your thermostat. Also, if the thermostat has batteries in it, change the batteries once a year. And then last thing, check your breakers. Make sure the breakers are on. If the breaker's off, obviously nothing's going to work.
We receive many service calls, and the first question everyone asks is, how quickly can we get out to their business or their home? A lot of the times we do get service calls and we're the second in line or the third in line for a customer who's already tried someone else, and that company that they previously called was not able to service them for quite a number of days, sometimes weeks, depending upon the season and how busy it is out there. Typically, with the amount of staff that we have, the amount of technicians we have out in the field, we can get to homeowners very, very quickly, usually within the same day, which I cannot say is true for most other companies, which is pretty great.
To make sure you're comfortable all year long, schedule your maintenance today.
And for any additional questions, please feel free to call our office direct at 314-351-2533 and subscribe to our Vogel YouTube channel.